Good day, WA Drop Beer Drones here. Surfers Point, most is in its name, but it's also the location of where the Margaret River meets the sea. There is a rugged coastline with plenty of underwater reefs to help create the surf all year round. For those that have come here expecting more surfing than drone, I've put a link in the description for Salty Bed Surfers Point webpage. I wish I'd got more footage of surfers, but due to battery, winds and another 2 stops to do, I'd lost a lot of airtime hovering and missing the action. If you have any suggestions on where you think I should go and get the drone out, post them in the comments. I'm sure there'll be some good ones, and if you think I missed out on any of the views on some of my other videos, I can always revisit and try a better spot. If you like what I do, click that like button, subscribe and share the video so your friends can enjoy it too. These little things can really help a channel get off the ground. If you really like what I do, you can buy me a coffee. There's a link in the description. Now just sit back and enjoy.